16th of May on a Monday. At the time now it's 2:23 p.m. Alright, so we're gonna start off with a fresh week of trading week itself. My name is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trade analysis video. Right, so today we're gonna touch on only just four currency pairs. I'll do more for the next day due to time constraint. So let's kick off with the pound against US dollar. Alright, so we have seen that the pound against US dollar has fallen further and moved closer towards the bottom of the major riding trend channel. Alright, we can see it right here. Let me just spread it out for you. Alright, so it is still coming down right now, and of course, we expected the price to fall further since it begins to break lower again. So let's zoom in into the smaller time frame into the 1 hourly chart. Alright, so in the 1 hourly chart itself, we've seen that the price has recently broken lower from a consolidation right here. It broke lower and resumed a downward consolidation movement. So that we can look at the 15-minute chart to see that clearer. There's a down movement followed by consolidation, down, consolidates again. A pretty long one. We're waiting for the price to go down again. So we'll be looking for sell opportunity, preferably at the price of 1.4393, as that is a previous support and resistance level. So that's pretty much for the pound against US dollar. But of course, if you are looking to sell at the current consolidation as it reaches upper band of consolidation, you may want to set a stop loss above the resistance level at 1.4393. All right, so there's just some consideration for you. All right, next we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. So we have the day one chart again. Let me plot out the chart for you before I continues. All right, so we have a running trend channel right here. We've seen that the price has broken further away from the bottom of a rising trend channel that is within the major trend channel as well. So this is what I'm talking about. So this is the rising trend channel within the major rising trend channel. He has broken below, signaling the price will fall further and moving midway to the bottom of the major rising trend channel as well. So price is now supported at key support. Let me just change density. Right, key support level at 0.6757, 6757. Let me move it up. 57. Right, so that's the price, and may make significant retracement before resume depreciation since it's right now seated at the support. So let's look into the 15-minute charts. Price is seen making retracement, a pretty significant one. It will soon reach resistance level at 0.6782. Now where's 6782? 82. Alright, this is a previous support, term resistance level. Alright, so preferably we'll be looking for sell opportunity as the price retraces this level. And price is expected to fall further after retracement based on the current market movement. Again, we have a downward consolidation movement. Things start to change a little bit right here, so just be a little bit aware of it. That's for the New Zealand dollar against US dollar. Next, we have the Aussie against the US dollar. The day chart itself, the price has broken below a major resistance turn support level right here. This is a key resistance level. We can see on the day chart, price has broken below, signaling for further depreciation with the next key support level at the price of 0.7210. All right, and of course, this is also coupled together with the Fibonacci retracement level of 61.8%. All right, so and just to share a little bit on the fundamental level, the Reserve Bank of Australia has recently cut interest rate about 2 weeks ago, and even need more stimulus in the way or to cut interest rate even further for the Australian dollar to really depreciate even further or break below its previous low of the 68. Well, not necessarily it has to be that way. As long as it stays below 75, but without any further action, it may cause the Australian dollar to appreciate again into an uncomfortable zone for the Reserve Bank of Australia. And so anyway, into the smaller time frame, into the 15-minute charts. Right. Anyway, in the bigger time frame right now on the day chart, we are still looking to go for the sell. All right, until it reaches key support at 0.7210. with the retracement level of 61.8%. All right, so into the 15-minute chart, there's the price is currently making significant retracement, as you can see right here, towards the top of the minor falling trend channel. All right, where did I got this? All right, I think it's right here. Let me first just pull it out for you. All right, in fact, we can see that the bottom has been breached once, came down, opens lower, but came all the way up, got supported, came all the way up, retraces again, rebounded off, and so you can see that right now for the for the retracement itself, exhaustion can be seen, but preferably we'll be waiting for the price to retrace to the top of this channel itself, the minor falling trend channel, or the support term resistance level at 0.7311. Let me shift that. 7311. All right, it's right here, 7311. All right, you can see that there's key support previously right here, to go for the sell instead, but that will be a little bit above, break above of the falling trend channel, not that desirable. But on the second thought, since we have seen that the price has broke below, has breached the bottom of the minor falling trend channel, that could signal that the price may not reach the top of the channel anymore, and may just start to fall after the retracement, and we can already see exhaustion on the current retracement. All right, so that still give opportunity to go for the sell for the Australia against the US dollar, and all the way to the key support at 72.10. That will still give you about 60 or 70 pips of profit. But you may want to set a stop loss above the top of the trend channel itself. All right, so next we have the dollar against the Japanese yen. All right, for our chart, in the 4-hourly chart, we have seen that the price was little changed as it moved sideways while still staying resisted at below the key resistance level at 109.37, which is also the Fibonacci retracement of 61.8%. So a very strong level. And into the into the 1-hourly charts. All right. Though there is no resistance at current price. All right. Honestly, there isn't much. In fact, there's a previous support recent. So it's just a very minor one. All right. But we have seen that the magic candle has formed, and right now we have the confirmation as well. But of course, but at the same time, after which we have seen a magic candle right here that signals for a reverse of the movement. So might as well, preferably, I will be waiting for the price to retrace all the way back to the top of, or rather to the key resistance level at 109.37, to look for sell opportunity again. Now, of course, if you want to go for sell right now, highly recommend that you set the stop loss above the key resistance at 109.37 instead. Alright, so that's for the dollar against the Japanese yen, and with that, I have come to the end of today's trading analysis video. So stay tuned for tomorrow. I'll see you again tomorrow for the next analysis video. Thank you.